AI adoption isn't slowing down, but most companies are still asking the wrong question. It's not if you should implement AI, it's how fast and how responsibly you can make it part of your operations. While ChatGPT has become the world's most popular AI tool, many organizations still struggle to turn potential into performance. The key? Start small, start conversational. Chatbots and voice bots are the most practical, low-risk way to introduce AI into your workflows. They deliver instant ROI by automating repetitive tasks, teach your teams how to work with AI prompts, and help you test compliance, security, and data governance safely. Start with simple but powerful use cases: an employee help desk assistant, a client-facing chatbot, or a renewal voice bot linked to your CRM. Once proven, these bots become the foundation for organization-wide AI transformation. When it's time to implement, choose your path. ChatGPT Business is perfect for pilot teams. ChatGPT Enterprise is built for scale, compliance, and cross-departmental use. At TLIC, we recommend a three-phase integration roadmap. Phase 1. Pilot chatbots or voice bots and validate ROI. Phase 2. Expand into workflows and business systems like Microsoft 365, Salesforce, and Google Workspace. Phase 3. Build full enterprise AI ecosystems with governance, voice integration, and automation. Under the hood, AI connects through layers: chat interfaces, GPT engines, workflow middleware, business systems, and security frameworks. Each must align to deliver consistent, compliant performance. Governance is non-negotiable. Define data sources, enforce access control, enable audit logs, and train your teams continuously. AI is only as strong as the controls behind it. Once live, every AI workflow fuels a cycle of continuous improvement. Data feedback improves accuracy. Automation expands efficiency. And every iteration brings your company closer to AGI readiness. Start small, scale smart, and govern everything. ChatGPT isn't just a tool, it's the foundation of your next-generation digital workforce. At TLIC Worldwide, we help organizations bridge the gap between AI ambition and operational reality. From readiness assessments to integration and compliance, we make sure your infrastructure is ready for what's next.